Welcome to the 2025 mulled wine. Now last year it was a little bit too spicy, so this year we're mulling it down a bit, making it a little bit more fruity and hopefully an all-round more drinkable mulled wine. Let's get started with a bottle of wine. Now this bottle of wine comes from Lanzarote, something we picked up during the summer holidays. This is a lovely rich red. Right, let's get going. While that warms up, we are going to add 60 grams of granulated sugar, 6 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 4 cloves, 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence, about 30 ml of some of that Lanzarote honey rum, 8 grams of sweet orange peel, giving it all a good mix and allowing it to simmer for about 30 minutes. We have 1 orange and 4 tangerines, half of which we're going to add to the mixture and the other half we'll use for garnish in a moment. Simmer, 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 the volume will reduce just a little and the fruit will turn a nice deep red. I'm going to filter out all of those additions onto some fresh orange garnish for the final pour. Well, happy Christmas. This is smelling delicious. Much smoother, plenty of orange, cinnamon. Let's give it a try. Oh, that is very, very nice indeed. After things not going so well last year, I played it a little safer and the end result was absolutely fabulous. Wishing you all a happy new year. Cheers to 2026. Good health. Other mulled wine variations from previous years are available on the links.